Hello everyone, this is Khushbu Turakhya and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the body wash product from the brand Love Beauty and Planet, which is made in India. Please ensure that you sanitize your product after your package delivery. I am using Savlon disinfectant spray here. I will share the link in the description space below so you can check it out and if you are interested in purchasing the product. Let's unbox the product. I ordered this product yesterday, that is on July 8th, 2021 from Nykaa, and I received it on another day. Way too fast, huh? So here it is. It came with this plastic bubble wrap packing, and I am definitely going to save it to pop out later. It's fun. Packaging comes as a plastic bottle which is made from 100% recycled plastic, and that is why they say love for planet. Quality of the bottle is indeed good. It comes with 400 ml of quantity. It is cruelty free, vegan and not tested on animals. It is made in India. It cost for about Rs 450 for 400 ml of quantity. Check out for more variants, ingredients and details on their website. Easy to open and easy to use. It does not contain silicones, parabens and dyes. Consistency of the product is thick, creamy and not watery. It does smells amazing. Let's check it out on hand first. The texture is nice, non-flowy. It's non-sticky. Let us look at the steps to use this product. You know it: squeeze, lather and rinse. Wet your body and your favorite loofah first. Go easy with the cap. Now take a coin sized of quantity on loofah. It is recommended to take soft loofah. Now lather in the shower. little bit goes the longest way. Don't rub it too harshly. I was running short of body wash, so I thought to give it a try on this product. Well, it does forms up very well. Use enough water for small quantity of product. Now rinse it well with enough water. Skin does feel soft. Pat dry your skin. I do see a very little glow. Now complete the routine by applying the body lotion or body butter of your choice. I am using the Body Shop's strawberry body butter. It smells amazing. Well, my first impression on the product is that it's really good product. Fragrance is really long lasting. You can definitely give it a try. Let us look at what the product claims. So here is some love for the dry skin. A bountiful life is a beautiful life. Infused with rich Amazonian murumuru butter and hand-picked Bulgarian rose oil. So this shower gel with a highly nourishing formula helps to maintain skin's natural moisture while helping to soften and smooth dry skin. The formula is infused with organic murumuru butter. So murumuru is lot like coconut oil. Murumuru butter comes from the white fat found in the nuts of Amazonian murumuru palm tree. That fat is known to be deeply moisturizing, so it helps nourish, soften and protect against dryness. This shower gel helps to lock in moisture, leaving skin soft and smooth. Also infused is ethically sourced rose absolute from Bulgaria. Bountiful moisture shower gel exudes a rich, warm floral rose fragrance experience. In this fragrance, the natural vibrancy of the rose notes is enhanced by the juicy freshness of red berries, delivering an intensely feminine and refreshing ambience in your shower, which is so true. You're gonna definitely love this product. This is the first product which I bought and tried from this brand. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will also mention the link in the description space below in case if you are interested in purchasing the product. Let me know about your experience of using this product in the comment section below. Till then, bye, take care and be safe. Peace.